What is going on, everybody? T-Bone coming back at you again with a huge opening. That's right, as you can see, we have almost a full case of Magnificent Mavens. I had to wait for this to come in, and they're finally here, and I'm really excited. Of course, if you looked at the page, I did upload a picture or two of two mini boxes I opened and decided to enjoy opening product for myself instead of recording, and those boxes were absolutely cracked. So hopefully we have the same luck here. And stupid me, I didn't realize, or I forgot that there was 4 displays per case for North America, so I should have just got a full case, but oh well, we got 3 here. This is going to be a huge video. We're not splitting this up. We're going to be opening up all 3 of these displays. So as we start getting into this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all the good YouTube stuff to help build the channel grow so I can keep getting things like this to open for you guys. So just for a little bit on the back here, you can always pause if you need to read that. So yeah, now for those who do not know, one display comes with 5 mini boxes. So we have 15 boxes to open. I don't even know why I'm making this look all fancy. You guys can't see it anyway. All right, so let's get started. So here's the mini box you would get. Same info on the back. Now, I find this a little weird. There's no shrink wrap. Yeah, it's actually just glued on the edges. It's really weird. Didn't think they'd do that. But either way, let's crack into these. Hopefully we don't get shorted any packs. My friend at Locals actually got shorted a pack. All right, so first pack of sleeves we get, it looks like the Witchcrafter sleeves. Very cool. So 4 packs. Let's see what we can get. I am really hoping for a Pharaohs rare. Okay, so actually starting off we get Skill Drain. I was very happy to see this get a reprint. So it seems like, to me, the best cards for the set are always in the very front, but the Pharaohs rares are in the middle. So, yeah, I don't know why they decided to do that. All right, Therion, Cat Shark, Mizuki. Apparently, this is actually short printed in the for the North America boxes. Why, I don't know. So let's do the little hat trick for these. Oh, the Sky Striker token. Very nice. The first time a token's been reprinted from an OTS pack. Beautiful Princess. Got multi-roll, G-Golem token. And Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. Don't know why this is in here, honestly. And apparently this is shorted too, from what I understand. Yeah, apparently they didn't short print the good cards like all the staple reprints. It's like random cards. Okay, we got Aileron. Aileron? I have no idea. It almost looks like, oh, what's his name from the anime? Kite's little brother. Is it Heart? I can't remember now. That's who it looks like, though. Actually, speaking of that anime, we got Sven Kepler. And I just realized I went to the wrong anime. Anyway, we got Sword Soul Taya as a Ultra upgrade, which is nice. Ray and Emergence. This one is actually short printed. Actually very happy about that. Yeah, if you're a Sword Soul player, or if you're interested in playing Sword Soul, now is nice eats. Everything is pretty cheap. We got Vice Madam, Shadow Imprisoning. See, we got Cheng Ying, Shiranui, and the Iris Sword Soul. So that's our first box. Overall, not terrible. Could have been better. And, oh, okay, cool. We got here the Kagari sleeves. Very cool. Yeah, again, we have quite a few packs to get through here. Ghost Meets Girl, Doomdozer. Very cool to see as an Ultra. Got another Ray. Hero lives. And another skill drain. I'm very happy with that, actually. I'll take it. You know what? I don't think we should do the hat trick anymore. Ooh. Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. Funny story about this. When Battles Legend Heroes Revenge came out, I got a blister pack from Target, or 5 blister packs. The very first one, I got the secret version of this. And out of all the Heroes Revenge I opened, I never pulled it again. So this is actually very cool to see, now that it's easier to get. We got Zeke, Light Imprisoning, Shark Cannon, Summit. All right, we got Dragon Necro Nether Soul. Another one of these guys. Hey, we got Gozen Match. Very welcome reprint. Instant Fusion, which is pretty good. And Shiranui. Last pack for this mini box. Okay, cool. We got Moye, or Moyi, however you want to say it. Apparently, I think she's shorter, if I remember correctly. We got Hamp, Sword Soul Assessment, Long Yun, and Intis. Another very good reprint from this, actually. Yeah, Intis were expensive. Even the supers, and the golds, they were like, maybe like $10 a piece, something like that. Oh, cool. We got the Engage sleeves. I think these are probably going to be the best ones. Actually, and funny enough, I just saw something on Facebook of somebody that got foil shifted sleeves. Yeah, it was very cool. Never expected I would ever see that. Okay, why not get one? We can get 2. Another Soldier of Chaos. We got Confusion Confession, Blackout, Summit, and Instant Fusion. Hey, there we go. This one is shorted too, and it's very good reprint. Harpy's Feather Duster, the alt art. Very nice. Vice Madam, Beautiful Princess, Chaos Hunter, very cool. And Dragon Maid Changeover. I'm like delaying the middle card because I'm really hoping to get a Pharaohs. Let's see, Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. It's actually very cool because the secret of this was pretty expensive for what it was. Witchcrafter stuff, non-fusion area, Shizuku. I have to look at Shizuku because that art looks different to me, but maybe it's just because I haven't seen the card in a while. Cyber Rev System. Apparently this one's shorted too. Why, I don't know, but I'll definitely welcome that. Zeke. Okay, we got our playset of tunas. And Nightmare Phoenix. Actually, very nice to get a reprint on this, even though we just got it as a rare not that long ago. It's nice to get easy access foil versions. And, oh, okay. We're still going on the trend with different sleeves, which is good. We have the other Witchcrafter sleeves. And 4 more packs. Actually, there it is. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow. This is the other one from, what is it? One of the Legendary Duelists. I think it might have been Season 2. Hey, we got a Eudora. First the Shizu card out of this display. Interesting. Non-fusion area, Hero Lives, and Witchcrafter Jenny. Another Rev System. Hey, okay, now they're coming in. We got Keldo, Sacred Protector. We got Soul Sweeper. How do you say that first word? Ani Bimaru, Soul Sweeper. think this is our first Mayakashi card we pulled too. And another Solitaire. Another Nether Soul. Ghost Meets Girl. Therion Duke. Long Yun. And Daki. Okay, this mini box is not doing the hottest right now. I'll definitely say that. And we got Moyi. Yuki Onna. We got Baruru. Very well needed, actually. That was an expensive rare. I think that was like a $5 to $7 rare, something like that. We got Quazing Long Yu. I don't remember how to pronounce these. Nice little damage up there. And we got Taya. And this is going to do it for our first display here after this box. And so far it's not really living up here. But we actually got different sleeves in every single box. These are the Mayakashi. All right, come on. This mini box needs to be cracked. Give us some really good stuff. You know what? Asking you shall receive. We got Imperm. Very nice. Gravekeeper's Trap, first one of those. Magician's Restage. Witchcrafter and Cat Shark. Come on, we still need some more good stuff. Okay, I got a playset of Skill Drain, which is awesome. Got another Hamp. We got Kepler. Mobilize, Engage. Huh. I remember very, very expensive secret ones. And Metal Reflect Slime. Hey, there we go. You see, this is the stuff I'm hoping for. Triple Tactics Talent. Nice. Very cool. And a Guido. Okay, that pack is really good. I was going to say, can we top it with the Pharaohs? But no, we got the Predaplant. We got Auspice or Auspice. Another Taya. All right, last pack for our first display. What are we going to get? Soldier of Chaos. I'll take it. We got Witchcrafter, Therion, Scapegoat, and G Golem Token. So that's our first mini box here, or our first display here. So we're just going to, just give me one quick sec. We're going to move into the second one. All right, sorry for the sudden cut there. Now let's get into our second display. So overall, the first display was not too bad. I'll say that. It definitely could have been better, I feel, but it definitely wasn't bad. Not even going to bother making it all fancy because you guys can't see it. So we're also short one different sleeve as well. Actually, and I think we just pulled it, which is awesome. So here's our other Mayakashi. So yeah, we got... Yeah, we're all good. We got both Witchcrafter, both Mayakashi, and both Sky Striker. So look at that. All right, come on. Good stuff. Boral Sword. Okay, not bad. Okay, Kelbeck. There we go. Needed that. Goes and Match. I'm actually happy about those. Dark Soul Token and a Hero Lives. Emergence. I'll take that. Blast Held by Destiny. Okay. Sword Soul. Anti-Spell. Very cool to see. And Hajun. One of the Mayakashis. Yeah, I'm still regretting not getting a full case here. Hey, there's Yada. All right. We got Yada. Witchcrafter. Pharaohs, Village, Summit. Change of Heart. Apparently this is shorted too. Yep, they just take it off and now we get an ultra change. We got Hamp. We got our Tunas. All right, and any sleeves we get are now just extra. Very happy I was able to get all the different sleeves to show you guys. We got Cyber Rev System, Blast Held, Restage, Kagari, and Ray. Hey, we got another Harpy's Feather Duster. If it'll focus, come on. There we go. Yeah, we got another Feather Duster. Definitely take that. We got Hamp, another Soul Sweeper, Phoenix, and a Hero Lives. All right, come on. Give us something else. Okay, another Rev System. Another Aileron. Restage. Vampire's Curse. At least it's something different. An Exchange of the Spirit. Come on. Blue Eyes Abyss. Another one of these. A Legendary Ocean. I think this looks very, very clean as an Ultra. I do. I actually like that a lot. We didn't need it, but it looks very nice. Other than that, man, that mini box was pretty garbage, actually. I can't even lie. That one was pretty garbage. All right, come on. Redeem yourself here. There's the redemption. We got evenly matched. It only took us a display and a half. Very cool. Another Hamp. I swear, this card is just like our spirit for this. Taya, Scapegoat. Seriously, I'm sick of seeing that Therion. Okay, we got Ice Dragon's Prison. Very cool. Hey, we got Linkage. First one of those, too, out of this. You know what? I'm happy at least we finally saw it. Restage, G-Golem, and another Sword Soul. Hey, we got Incredible Ecclesia. After she just got the Prismatic Secret upgrade in the tins. We got Vice Madam, Non-Fusion Area, Cat Shark, Dark Soul. And last pack for this display, we got Apollosa. Now, I will say I do like this better than the gold, premium gold we got. And I don't mind that premium gold rarity. It's just this art looks fantastic as an Ultra. It's absolutely gorgeous. And a Keldo. All right, Soul Sweeper, Cerberus, and Phoenix. And so far, we still haven't gotten, like, duplicate back-to-back from the displays on sleeves, which is pretty interesting. All right, come on. Millennium Eyes, there we go. Very well needed. Very happy about that, actually. Oh, we got the Ace Sky Striker token. Legendary Ocean, Auspice, and Longyun. Come on, give us Ice Dragon's Prison. It got me for a second. I thought that was evenly. Yukiona, Non-Fusion, Daki, and Hayate. Come on, we need better stuff here. We got Ecclesia again, Exchange, Sword Soul Strife. First one of this, Riliona the Magistus of Vir. And another Engage. Okay, come on. We need some big hitters here. Number 93, Utopia Kaiser. Okay, interesting. Okay, Kelbeck. Pretty good. I am so sick of seeing Therions in this spot. All right, last one for this display. And even still, keeping on the trend, we have different sleeves every single display, which is pretty nice. All right, come on. All right, I'll take the Imperm. It's not the trap I was hoping for. I'm really looking for some more evenly matched. Got a Lariat. I'm done with those. G-Golem and Mayakashi Return. First one of those, actually. Okay, thank you. We got another evenly matched. Take that. And a Guido. Okay, this pack's just spoiling us. Can we get a Pharaohs? No. Can't be too greedy. And our first one of Shishao. Oh, and Mudora. Okay. Shadow Imprisoning. Phoenix. All right, come on. Last pack from our second display. What's our good card here? We got Toad. You know, I'm not disappointed with that. Again, I do wish it was something else, but at least we got a Toad. And Sky Striker token. Kepler, Jenny, and Mayakashi. So that is our second display. So now we're going to hop into our third one here. Just one sec. All right, third display time. All right, come on. We need to pick it up here. We really do. We need to pick it up. We need to get some more of the good stuff. We need more Gozens. We need more... What else are we asking for? More Gozens. Imperms I'm fine with. We need more Ishizu stuff. What else do we need? We need a Pharaohs rare. We need a Pharaohs rare. Oh, we need Lightning Storm. We need Talents. We need more of those. Okay, well, there's another Imperm. Not going to complain. Yuki Onna. Sword Soul. Witchcrafter Hane and Sky Striker Kagari. Okay, cool. We got a playset of evenly matched. Very cool. I know it's not shorted, but we need more of these. We got Zeke. First one of this, actually. Dracoback, the Rideable Dragon. Yeah, that's interesting. That's our first one, because this is not shorted. Hajun and Secret Village. However, I do understand clumping is still an issue. And again, you cannot take ratios off of one case. We got Chisao, Vice Madam. Foolish Return, the first one of these. Okay. Cerberus and Hayate. Okay, come on. Other than the evenly, we need something else to help make this up. Another Toad. All right, that's all right. Not what I'm hoping to see, though. Legendary Ocean, Chaos Hunter, and Changeover. Yeah, so now if you don't know, these technically MSRP at $25. Yeah. If these were still 20, I would say it's definitely a lot more worth it, but I understand. If your locals are doing them for 20, that's definitely a better deal. It's a lot easier to make up your value back. We got Boral Sword. Got so many of these guys now. Sword Soul, Anti-Spell, and Hajun. First one of Trap Trick Sarah. Okay. Secret Village, Sacred Summit. I really do not want to see any more Therions. I really don't. We got clumped on those bad. Okay, we got another skill drain. Shadow imprisoning. Cerberus. All right, come on. Other than the skill drain, we need something heavy hitting right now. BLS, not what I'm hoping to see. Okay, Mudora. Hayate Chaos Hunter. Come on. We got 3 boxes left. Okay, cool. We actually got a playset of the Sky Striker sleeves. I think those ones might be my favorite, so I'm actually happy about that. All right, come on. We need talents. We need Evenlies. We want Lightning Storms. We need a Pharaohs rare. Give us something really good. Afterglow. All right. Okay, linkage. I'm not going to complain about that one. Doomdozer. Taya and Ray. Come on. Another Boral Sword. Okay, Keldo. Dark Calling, our first one of these, too. Cheng Ying and Solitaire. I don't know how many Cheng Yings we've actually pulled. The Iris Sword Soul. Gravekeeper's Trap. Okay, Goes in Match. Hain and Kagari. All right, come on. Last pack for this mini box. Give us something good. Another Imperm. Not the trap I want to see, but it could have been worse. Yuki Onna. Sword Soul Strife. Auspice and Long Yun. I'm not having high hopes for a Pharaohs rare at this point. All right, come on. Give us good stuff. Another Boral Sword. Okay. Exchange. Doomdozer. Taya, Scapegoat. Emergence. Okay, we got a playset Emergence now. We got Kelbeck. Dark Calling. G-Golem and Synchro Long Yun. Come on. We got Yada. All right. Blast Held. Okay, we got another Gozen. Cat Shark and Dark Soul Token. All right, come on. Last pack out of this mini box. Where's our heavy hitter? Not here. We got Change of Heart. Witchcrafter. Sword Soul Strife. I'm just dropping cards because that's how it goes. Cerberus and Phoenix. They seem to be clumped together a lot. Okay. This is it. Last box. What are we getting? Come on. We need some really good stuff here. All right, not terrible. We got Soldier of Chaos, Kelbeck. Don't want to talk about it. Phoenix and a Hero Lives. Seriously, man, these Therion clumping in this, they probably just took 3 from a case is like ridiculous. Okay, Skill Drain. Blast Held. More Tuna. Jenny and Mayakashi. Come on. BLS. Witchcrafter. Focus. Come on. Non-fusion. Solitaire Long Yun. Emergence, Mudora, okay. Assessment, Daki, Synchro Longyun. No Pharaohs. No Pharaohs and no lightning storms. Not happy about that. No lightning storms. Actually, how many talents did we pull? We actually got one Millennium Eyes, one Apollosa. Okay, there's one Talents. One Talents out of 3/4 of a display of a case. Yeah, the clumping is not fun sometimes, guys, but hopefully you did enjoy it. I might still pick up more of this. However, I do recommend if there is something specific you're looking for in the set, go after the singles because this set is, what is it, 115 cards? It's a decent size, and for the amount of cards you get per mini box, just go after singles unless you're Pharaoh hunting. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Again, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know what your favorite card down that you saw in the video was today. And if you made it this far, this whole video, you're the real MVP because you're listening to me for over a half hour at this point. So again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the typical YouTube stuff to help build the channel grow. And until next time, I will see you guys later.